In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow downloads from unknown sources on your iPhone. This can be useful if you want to run shortcuts or apps that aren't directly available from the App Store. Let's go step by step. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have it installed, you can download it for free from the App Store. Once you're in Shortcuts, tap the plus sign at the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Next, tap on Add Action. Here, you'll see different categories like scripting, location, media, favorites, sharing, documents, and web. For this process, tap on Web. Scroll down a bit and you'll find Filter Articles. Tap on that. At this point, you can rename the shortcut to something easy to remember, like Files. Tap on the downward arrow next to the name to rename it. You can also customize the icon if you want. Tap on Choose Icon, pick a symbol you like, and select a color. Once that's done, tap Done. Now you'll see the shortcut added to your library with the name and icon you chose. After setting up the shortcut, go to your iPhone's Settings app. Scroll down and find Shortcuts in the list of apps. Tap on it, and you'll see an option called Allow Untrusted Shortcuts. Turn this on. You may be prompted to enter your device passcode to confirm. By enabling Allow Untrusted Shortcuts, you're telling your iPhone that you trust the shortcuts you download or create from outside sources. This is necessary for running shortcuts that are not from the official gallery. Once it's enabled, you can go back to the Shortcuts app and start using the shortcut you created, or add other trusted shortcuts from external sources. A quick tip: make sure you only download shortcuts from sources you trust. This keeps your iPhone secure while giving you access to more features. If you face any issues, you can always revisit Settings and double-check the Allow Untrusted Shortcuts toggle. And that's it! You've successfully enabled downloads from unknown sources on your iPhone. Now you can use external shortcuts and enjoy more functionality on your device.